If you use Edge browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to fix slow performance in Edge browser by just enabling Performance Detector on your Edge browser. So easy. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is come to the top right there. Click on this three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on settings right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply look for system and performance. Click on that. The next thing you need to do is to go to performance. Then under the performance, you have to simply scroll down right here where you have Enable Performance Detector. What you need to do is to turn on this toggle button. And with that, your performance on Edge browser is going to drastically improve and efficiency operation is going to take place on your Edge browser. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.